Hey YouTube, how's it going? It's Robert here. Folks, I'm just messing around in my house. It's some nasty weather out here. Folks can see that or not, but it's not very nice outside. So anyway, what I'm doing is Dave Canterbury had just come back from Africa, and he had a play on an African bird trap that they use down there. Well, I built a variant of it using a piece of, it's like a 3/8 dowel, but it's fiberglass. I cut it about 4 feet long and epoxied it in to the board. Put a piece of wire for the loop here and my trigger system. Right, so it goes off crazy, man. It freaked my dog right out. So this is how you set her up right here. This here comes down, goes underneath. Over the top like that. There it is. So again, a play on the African bird trap. With a light trigger. Bird would come in and grab it here. And man, does it ever go off. It's a crazy trap.